Now I am going to explain in a very simplistic way the Darwin theory that inspires genetic algorithms. According to that theory, in any species, for instance in giraffes, some of the individuals are better adapted to the environment than others. So they have more possibilities to survive because this better adaptation. And as a result, they have more possibilities to reproduce, in this case to produce little giraffes, so that we contribute to the new generation of these species. And in general, this new generation will be better, that is more adapted than the previous one, because the descendants, the children, inherits the genetic characteristics of their parents, and their parents were the best in the previous generation. So in the new generation, in general, the individuals are better than in the previous one, more adapted. However, there is a possibility of mutation that makes that some strange individuals appear and are strange due to unexpected genetic alterations. So this may happen from time to time, and mutation makes that some different individuals appear. If there were not mutation, in a few generations all the individuals will be exactly the same, and we really would not like that. So fortunately, mutation appears from time to time. So this process applies to any species. For instance, humans. This is a typical picture of human evolution. In thousands of years, the individuals, there's an evolution, and individuals that are every few thousands of years better than the previous generations. Although not everybody maybe will agree 100% about that every generation is better than the previous one. Okay, so this is a very simple view of the Darwin theory, and let's analyze a little bit the process, because we must understand well the process in order to build genetic algorithms. Okay, these are the individuals of the current generation. Some of them are better, stronger, more adapted than others. So this is a process of selection. Some of them select others for reproduction and produce children that inherits the features of the genetic features of the parents. So stronger individuals have more probabilities of more facilities for reproduction than the rest. This is the reason why stronger here in this figure have more children. And since children inherit the features of their parents, in the new generation we have in general more adapted individuals, a better generation, but again there's the possibility of mutation that introduce very rare, very strange individuals in the new generation. And this process is repeated with the new generation, and this repeat forever. So the important thing is that here we identify 4 key elements in the process: the selection criteria, who what are the individuals that have children? How do we select this element, these individuals? This is the selection criteria. What is the mechanism for reproduction? How do we build the children? And then how does it work, the mutation process? And finally, what is the criteria to repeat forever? So these are the 4 key elements that we need to clarify when designing a genetic algorithm, and this will be the focus of the next video.